Today in science, we are going to talk about what plants need to grow. We're going to think about and explore what plants need to grow. This is kind of for parents. And just remember to help your child, ask them questions about plants. They probably know a lot already, but this is just to help them think about it more. Our goals today are exploring a plant using my senses. So how can I do this? I will find a plant that is safe for me to explore. I will share with someone my observations, and I will write my observations on something. So if you can, I would like you to find a plant either inside your house or outside, and let's use some of our senses to explore what we notice about plants. So think about our 5 senses. So we can see a plant. When you look at your plant, what do you see? I want you to think about that, and I want you to share that with someone. Now, before you touch a plant, ask your mom or dad, ask an adult first. But if your plant is safe to touch, what does it feel like? Feel different parts of it. And then I want you to smell your plant. What does it smell like? Maybe nothing. Okay, what are our other senses? We've already done our eyes, our hands, our nose. If you listen, we have our ears. If you listen to the plant, do you hear anything? Just try it and see. And our other sense is taste. So right now, please do not taste your plant. That's not a safe thing to do. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to draw pictures in these boxes of your plant. So what does it look like? What does it smell like? And what does it feel like? There are several ways you can do this. You can either draw pictures on here. You can print this out if you have a printer at home, or you can just draw those pictures on a piece of paper. That would be wonderful. Enjoy exploring.